Welcome to Law Made Simple. In today's video, we'll take you through the divorce procedure in India in a clear, step-by-step manner. We will cover both types of divorce, mutual consent and contested. This guide is designed to help you understand the process before approaching a lawyer. We'll simplify the legal terms so that anyone can follow along easily. Divorce is a sensitive subject, and knowing the correct process can save you time and stress. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and prepare for. Let's get started with the basics. Understanding divorce in India. Divorce means the legal dissolution of a marriage by a court. In India, it is governed by different personal laws, such as Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and Parsi laws. The Special Marriage Act applies to interfaith marriages and civil marriages. While the exact process can differ, there are two main categories of divorce. The first is mutual consent divorce, where both spouses agree to separate. The second is contested divorce, where one spouse does not agree. Knowing which category applies to your case is the first important step. Let's now discuss each type in detail. Mutual consent divorce. A mutual consent divorce happens when both partners agree to end the marriage. It is usually quicker, less expensive, and less stressful than a contested case. Both parties must reach agreement on child custody, alimony or maintenance, and property division. The law generally requires a minimum 1-year separation before filing. This process usually takes 6 to 18 months from start to finish. It is conducted in 2 motions, a first motion and a second motion. The cooling-off period between these motions is 6 months but can sometimes be waived. Let's look at the step-by-step process next. Mutual consent divorce, step-by-step. The process starts with filing a joint petition by both spouses in the family court. This petition states that they have been living separately for at least 1 year. The court records the statements of both parties in the first motion. A 6-month cooling-off period is given to allow reconsideration. In certain cases, the court may waive this period if both agree. After the cooling-off period, the couple appears for the second motion. The court verifies that all matters like alimony, custody, and property division are settled. Finally, the judge issues the decree of divorce, legally ending the marriage. Contested divorce. A contested divorce happens when one spouse wants to end the marriage but the other does not agree. The spouse seeking divorce must prove specific legal grounds under the relevant marriage law. Common grounds include cruelty, adultery, desertion for 2 years, conversion, or mental disorder. Since both sides have conflicting positions, the case often becomes lengthy and complex. The process involves multiple hearings and detailed examination of evidence. It can take 3 to 5 years or more for the case to be resolved in court. Legal representation is essential to protect your rights and present your case strongly. The final decision depends entirely on the judge's evaluation of facts and evidence. Contested divorce, step-by-step. The process begins with filing a divorce petition in the appropriate family court. The court then issues a notice to the other spouse to appear and respond. The respondent files their written reply and any counterclaims. Next comes the evidence stage, where both sides present documents and witnesses. The court may then cross-examine witnesses to verify the truth of statements. After evidence is complete, both lawyers present final arguments before the judge. The judge reviews all facts, evidence, and legal provisions. Finally, the court delivers its judgment and grants or rejects the divorce decree. Key documents. Before filing for divorce, certain documents are essential. You'll need your marriage certificate to prove the marriage legally exists. Valid address proofs for both spouses are required. Passport-size photographs may be needed for court records. For mutual divorce, you may need proof of living separately for a year or more. In contested cases, evidence supporting your claims is crucial. You might also need details about property, income, and children if applicable. Having these ready saves time and avoids unnecessary delays. Conclusion, advice and call to action. To sum up, mutual consent divorce is faster and less stressful, provided both spouses agree. Contested divorce is time-consuming and emotionally challenging, but sometimes unavoidable. Always consult a qualified lawyer before taking legal steps. Keep children's welfare as the top priority in any decision. Remember, legal processes are smoother when you are well prepared. We hope this guide has made the procedure clear and easy to follow. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Law Made Simple. Share it with friends and family so more people can benefit from clear legal guidance.